Hoki ki ngā tūāpapa, connecting to practices that nurture wellbeing.
Kia ora, ko Tākuta Tamara Birchall tōku ingoa. I am one of the GPs here in Kawakawa. Ko ngā tamariki o Te Tai Tokerau he tika ana kia whiwhi werohanga rongoa, kore he utu. Free immunisations help protect tamariki from diseases such as whooping cough, tetanus and measles. And immunising tamariki against preventable diseases protects our whole community. There are many ways to access free immunisation for your whānau. Visit your local Māori health provider, GP, or go to a free drop-in immunisation clinic near you. Alternatively, you can call Healthline on 0800 28 29 26 and they will help you book an appointment. Me whakapapa te ora, hoki ki ngā tūāpapa, connecting to practices that nurture wellbeing.